TVJ is known for tribute tracks to their moms. Beenie Man adding to the playlist with one of his own ahead of Mother's Day.
She was there when daddy weren't there. Because of my mother, I never know fear.
My mother was my best friend. But when we just start, she never knows me a DJ. She find out when she see me on JDC TV. Me and the Wolf Pack decide, say, all right, we're going to do a song.
Mama, I love you.
Beenie Man's mom, Lilith Sewell, passed away in 2020. Here she is talking with ER in an early interview. The Doctor, along with Via Boss and Hierarchy, releasing a tribute track to coincide with Mother's Day.
When you got me, feel say my life done.
Dedicate to all of the people them who lost their moms and all who have their moms same way. So if you love your mother, regardless of what, whether she here or not, this song is dedicated to all of them. So, you know me love my mother, 100%. Else me wouldn't carry her yard. Anthony, you wouldn't know her. You see me, I say, without your mother, you're nobody. And without your mother, you would not be here. You know?
In addition to which, you're getting a little older in the business. You're, you know, not the spring chicken you once were.
Yeah.
Beenie Man pushing 50. In some respects, still a DJ in a hurry, though he's already built a solid foundation. The nearer we get to our own mortality, we think of our parents and family members who have passed.
That is the reason why you build a catalog from you're young. So when you reach this age, you don't have to worry about making a new song.
But a lot of people nowadays aren't thinking in terms of catalog. They're thinking in terms of instant gratification.
But you see, the problem is, it don't make a sense. You make a song will last 3 months or 6 months. That means next year nobody now remember it. That make no sense. You make a song for last as long as you can last.
Honestly though, how do you know when you're making a song that's going to last for 3 months or it's going to go the distance?
You have something named Yes Man. Then you have something named producers. When the producer like the song, to the point where he play it every minute before it mix. And then you start feel the song, because you cannot feel yourself now. Because you would tell yourself, say, yeah, this is a great song, and nothing can stop it. But when the producer feel it, and everybody in the studio feel it, and the man now go one side and say, what up? But true, because him is a yes man, him have to say yes. That's when I know the song is like.
And Beenie Man itching to hit the road.
Truthful.
Beenie Man cut off from his biggest market since reportedly last performing in the US in September 2015.
Anybody who cannot go to the state and used to go to the state will be missing it. But I've been traveling right through. See, been touring half part of the world. You understand? Africa, Europe, everywhere. Caribbean, everywhere. Been still touring, Canada, everywhere, still touring. So it's not like I'm sitting down in Jamaica waiting to go to America.
Other doors did open.
Always open, Anthony. You have bigger shows in Europe than what they keep in the US. But the problem is, you cannot go to Europe 3 times a year. You cannot go to London 5 times for the year. America have 50 states. You can go there every week. So that is the difference. I do not miss nowhere. I am a Jamaican that live in Jamaica, love Jamaica. Do not miss the United States. I do not. And do not make nobody tell you that, and do not tell nobody that. I don't miss America. I just miss the fans and the people them who support Beenie Man right through the year.
Beenie Man recently signing a management deal with Sean Baptiste out of St. Croix. Renewed efforts to effect the return of his revoked visa said to be in effect.
It's in process.
It's not an easy process to go back to America either. It's not, because America is the first world country and there is land of the brave and land of the free. But you're a Jamaican. You're not from the land of the brave or land of the free. So actually, when you get a visa, them actually giving you a privilege to go to them country to visit. You see? All right? I don't want to be an American. I don't want to live in America. I just want to go there to work. And that's it.
Walk me to school, me no need bus fare. My body shine from the Vaseline in me hair. Oscar Award, shot the mother of the year.
Back to this Mother's Day thing now. We don't get that similar celebration of the father. But that's the experience of a lot of people who never grew up with fathers in Jamaica.
Truthful.
A big problem?
Yeah, it is a big problem because you have enough man and a father, you have someone just doing it. You see it? And the baby band them not participate. Them just left. You see the problem is. But I am a father, and as a father, I can tell you that. Father's Day, me forget more ratings, but I know my fault make it not get more ratings. And my father before me, because as a little youth, I tell myself, say, I'm going to be a better father than my father. That means my father never good. You understand? And my mother grew me. So that's why Mother's Day, I have to celebrate Mother's Day. My mother came to go to school, she vaseline me here, she cook the food, and when she wash people clothes, she have to come home and cook and make sure say, me eat, and all of these things. So, my father never did it.
So, giving thanks for moms, more present than absent.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Wish I could tell you goodbye, goodbye.
Because them not an image, and them not love themselves. This is the problem.
Beenie Man on performance next week.